This morning you woke up as their best weapon. Tonight, you are their biggest mistake. You're sitting in a safe house. Mission complete. Target neutralized. Clean exit. You did everything right. Your encrypted phone buzzes. You expect 2 words. Extraction confirmed. Instead, you see your own face. 1 word underneath it. Target. The billionaire didn't send you on a mission. He sent you to your funeral. And now you have one question burning through everything. What do you know that's worth killing for? Level 1. The ghost that never existed. You have no passport in your real name, no bank account, no social media, no official record that you were ever anywhere. Your mother thinks you work in private security consulting. She's not wrong. Operatives inside private military firms like Blackwater signed ND. As that didn't just demand silence, they legally erased mission records entirely. You don't exist on paper. You never did. That invisibility felt like power once. You chose this. You walked in with both eyes open. No name meant no liability. No record meant no consequences. No existence meant no one notices when you're gone. Being a ghost felt like freedom, until someone decided ghosts don't need to be retired. They need to be erased. Level 2. The billionaire's architecture. You've seen things most people can't imagine. Private airstrips on 3 continents, encrypted servers buried under shell companies layered 12 deep, accounts moving through jurisdictions that don't cooperate with any government on Earth. Eric Prince built a private army for the UAE reportedly worth over $500 million. Private armies now operate in more than 50 countries completely outside the Geneva Convention. No rules, no oversight, no mercy. You knew all of it, every route, every name, every transaction. You thought that knowledge made you valuable. It did, just not the way you assumed. You weren't just running missions for him. You were building his empire, and empires don't share architects. Level 3. The order comes down. Your handler goes dark. No response, no ping, nothing. Your emergency contact number disconnected. Your supply drop never arrives at the coordinates. Your extraction window closes without a word. This is what being burned feels like. Not a confrontation, not a warning, just silence. During the Cold War, the CIA burned assets regularly, leaving trained operatives stranded behind enemy lines with no support, no cover, and no way home. No phone call, no explanation, just absence where there used to be orders. You've heard the stories. You never thought you'd be one. They don't tell you when you're burned. They just stop answering. And then they send someone. Level 4. The cleaner arrives. You see him before he sees you. That's the only reason you're still breathing. Same posture, same walk, same way of scanning a room in under 2 seconds. He was you 3 years ago. Fresh, loyal, willing. Private military firms maintain internal units quietly referred to as asset management teams. Their job isn't protection, their job is removal. You were never supposed to know they existed. He's not here to arrest you. He's not here to ask questions. He was chosen specifically because he's the only operative trained well enough to actually find you. You have maybe 30 seconds before that changes. He wasn't sent because you were dangerous. He was sent because you were the only one dangerous enough to need him. Level 5. What you know that they fear. 3 a.m. A parking garage in a city no one knows you visited. You piece it together slowly, then all at once. The last mission wasn't a target elimination. The man you neutralized wasn't an enemy operative. He was a government auditor, quietly investigating the billionaire's financial network across 4 countries, getting close to evidence that couldn't be explained away. PMC whistleblowers like those who came forward after Blackwater's operations in Iraq revealed how corporations systematically eliminated witnesses to illegal operations. You weren't sent to protect anyone. You were sent to destroy evidence, and now you are the evidence. You didn't just cross a line that night, you became the reason they needed you dead. Level 6 going off grid. You had a contingency. Every ghost does. A bag buried under a footbridge in a city you visited exactly once, 3 years ago. 3 passports, different nationalities, enough cash for 6 months. A burner phone with 2 numbers. CIA assets. Facing elimination have used exfiltration protocols for decades, false identities pre-positioned years in advance, dead drops in neutral countries, counter-surveillance routes memorized before they were ever needed. You built your escape before you built your loyalty. That's the rule no one teaches you. The ones who survive already plan to. He has $1 billion and a private army. You have 1 bag and 1 exit. You only need it to work once. Level 7. The counter. Move. You don't run. Running is what they're expecting. Running is what they're prepared for. Instead, you set a trap. Every document you've quietly collected over 3 years. Coordinates, transaction records, names, dates, operations that would end careers and start criminal investigations on 4 continents. All of it encrypted. Distributed to 5 journalists across 4 separate countries. A dead man's switch. Intelligence operatives have used this tactic before, evidence pre-positioned with trusted third parties, set to release automatically if contact isn't confirmed within 72 hours. If you die, everything goes live. The billionaire built an army to erase you. You built one USB drive to erase him. He had $1 billion and 500 soldiers. You had one drive and a deadline. Turns out that was enough. Level 8, the final negotiation. The meeting happens in a neutral city. His choice of location. Your choice of time. No weapons allowed. Both sides understand this is theater now. He looks older than his photographs. You look like someone who stopped sleeping. Multiple high-profile PMC cases ended not in elimination, but in negotiated silence. Both sides with too much to lose. Mutual destruction as the only real deterrent. He makes his offer. $10 million, a new identity, clean records, full extraction from everything, a life that looks completely normal from the outside. You look at him for a long time, then you make yours. He agrees, not because he wants to, because the alternative destroys everything he spent 30 years building. He thought he was buying your silence. He was actually paying for his own survival. You walk out of that room alive. New name, new country, new face in the mirror every morning. The money clears 3 days later. The files stay encrypted, untouched. The journalists never know how close they came to the biggest story of their lives. But every morning before you do anything else, you check your phone. Not for messages, for silence. Because you know better than anyone, silence isn't safety. It's just the pause before the next order comes down. Somewhere right now, a man with no passport and no record is sitting in a room being handed a phone. He's reading a name. He's being told the target is dangerous. He believes them. You did too once. You survived level 8. Most don't make it past level 3. Subscribe before the next mission drops.